Are you tired of sending out business documents with embarrassing typos and errors? It's time to master the art of proofreading with these 5 easy steps. Step 1. Take a break. After you've finished writing your document, step away for a while. This will help clear your mind so you can come back to it with fresh eyes. Step 2. Read out loud. Reading your document out loud can help you catch any awkward phrasing or mistakes that you might have missed silently reading. Step 3. Use spell check. Don't rely solely on spell check, but it's a good tool to catch any obvious spelling errors that might have slipped through the cracks. Step 4. Focus on one thing at a time. When proofreading, focus on one aspect at a time, such as grammar, punctuation, or formatting. This will help you catch more errors. Step 5. Get a second opinion. Have a colleague or friend review your document. Fresh eyes can often catch mistakes that you might have overlooked. By following these 5 easy steps, you can ensure that your business documents are error-free and polished to perfection. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.